garden harvest. I have purple Oscar mustard.
I have the greens.
The for our salad.
Look at the calamansi. I will harvest some vegetables. I will harvest some leafy greens. Josh is already in the garden. Hi Josh. Oh, did you harvest that? Awesome. We need that for the cucumbers.
We're here in our raised garden beds to harvest some purple Osaka mustard to make kamchai or pickled mustard, and also to harvest some lettuce for our salad dinner.
And I also harvested lemon, so I'm doing something.
Everything has bolted. The Asian greens, the arugula, they have bolted. Look at the arugula flowers. They are gorgeous.
Now I'm thinking I'm stepping into uncharted territory. Look at all of this. I don't even know if I should touch it. Oh wow.
They are like, you remember, they are the
Look at that
wooden
insect.
sorrel.
What in National Geography? Look at that insect.
Which insect? Oh, okay. Let's take a video of the insect that Josh found. Wait, where? It flew away. Oh no,
Look at
sorry.
Look at it. Look. I didn't even know if this is.
That's, you remember that? That's what we use for our St. Patrick's. Don't pull them. They are like wooden sorrel.
Sorrel.
Or the, what's your is that the one you're looking for? Or
I'm
the
looking
fake
for a bamboo spout.
fake, what is that for the fake clover? Those are fake clovers.
Well, I'm looking for a bamboo spout.
Look at this.
They're usually here.
Gorgeous, right? Now let's harvest the purple Osaka mustard here,
I don't even want it.
and we will pickle this.
They're gigantic. Look at them side to side.
Yes.
It's bigger than my head.
Look at the fig tree. It's too loud right now. There you go. Here's the purple Osaka mustard. Now let's harvest lettuce for our salad. Sorry, it's quite loud right now.
This is arugula.
Beautiful.
Tune down for what? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I know exactly.
Let's pick something that is colorful. This one. The purple one. This. And then here's our Garden pickings for our salad. For dinner later. Let's add some of this. I love this one too. The red vein sorrel. Look at how pretty. You will see them. They are not available at the grocery stores. You probably at the farmer's market, I'm not sure. But you usually see them at gourmet restaurants. You see, they are beautiful. They are very easy to grow actually. And they can grow here in California, here in Los Angeles. They grow year round. So you can grow them winter time, and then they are perennials too. So they survive. They grow for like, they will thrive for years. When it's like during heat waves, you have to protect them because they could like die. There you go. Now let's add them here. So here's our salad harvest. And our garden harvest, I have purple Osaka mustard.
And I have the salad for our...
Just you, Josh, for your shorts.
Hello guys. Hello.
It smells so good. This smells so good. I have a lot of calamansi. Or calamunding. They are calamunding or calamansi. You see, we are under the... Got a lot of lemons too. Hi Josh!
Hello.
A lot of calamansi all the way to the top. And there are flowers too. So it's like ever bearing. They just continue to give us fruits.
What if it rains hard after you get the lemon? What will you say?
Nothing. 1 second. It's not even cooperating. Okay, let's just do it. There you go. I harvested one more lemon. And there are a lot of kumquats too. Look at the lemon tree over there. There are a lot of lemons. We harvested 2 lemons and some calamundine. And what else, Josh?
Purple Osaka mustard and...
lettuce.
That's a big delay.
This is the harvest. I'll pickle the mustard first, and then later I'll prepare the salad for dinner. Let's pickle the mustard here, which is like very easy actually. Just need like a vinegar and salt. First I need vinegar and then salt, and then just like hold it like that. The stock is really good when like pickled. And then add it there, and then add more salt. I moved it here so you could see. More vinegar. Then just keep on pushing. You can cook this with like chopped pork or ground turkey, ground chicken, or you can also add this in congee. I'll do both. I'll cook this first on like maybe ground pork, and then also I'll save some to add on congee. The last few ones. leaves. In like a couple of days, this will be like here. It will be like almost half once like the leaves disintegrate. And then let's cover and put on the fridge. There you go. So it's fine that the vinegar is only through here, because then this will be reduced to half in 2 to 3 days. Now time to prepare dinner. Before we cook dinner, let's take out the trash. It's like trash pick up day tomorrow. Look at the lantana here by our mailbox. So beautiful. And we have more lantana here. And look at the geraniums. Geraniums here too. I am making pork larb, so I need to harvest some mint too. Let's harvest mint. Oh, the rain has started. Actually not like rain, but more of drizzle, but it's like wet. The table is wet. We have mint here, different kinds of mint. I think this is orange mint. This is so fragrant. The other ones are still like starting to sprout out, like this one. This is, I think this is strawberry mint. But this one, this is gorgeous. The orange mint. I wish you could smell this. It's so very fragrant. Look at this. And get 3. When you cut them, they like, so where you cut, there it will sprout out and it will give you more leaves. There you go. Super fragrant. Oh my gosh. It's already dark outside, but here's, oh my gosh, so fragrant. The mint that I harvested from the backyard garden. So fragrant and so beautiful too. Now let's start cooking dinner. I have here the durok pork, ground pork, and then so I am cooking larb, pork larb, and then I'll use this, and then I'll use the lettuce. This is not like super traditional way of cooking larb. And then instead of lime, I am using, we don't have lime, so I'm using lemon. Let's toast the rice first. Now this is ready. When we made namtok, we struggled a little bit because we were using this like wooden mortar and pestle, and then a YouTube friend mentioned that we should use a stone version. So today I am using this one. This is actually made of marble from my hometown, which is really famous for marble, Romblon, in the Philippines. So we carried this all the way from the Philippines, which is like super heavy since this is like made of marble. Josh, you want to try grounding the rice using this one? This will be much easier.
Well, why is it marble?
Because the wooden one is difficult. Once again. There you go. Let me know if it's way easier than grounding with the other one. You have to do this. 1 second. Like pound it like this. There you go. into like strips, and then Josh is going to spin. And Josh is spinning the salad.
Fast or slow?
I don't know, whatever is comfortable for you.
Just say fast or slow. Okay.
So much as it doesn't like. Okay, be careful.
Okay, I can really feel it now.
It's going to take off. Like, you know, fly away.
It's really spinning.
I know.
Okay.
Let's toss the water. Oh, good spinning, Josh.
Thank you.
And then, okay, let's spin again. Smell this mint.
Oh, that smells good.
Super fragrant, no? Very fragrant. Let's add sugar. The first time I had this dish was at a Thai restaurant when I had lunch with a colleague. But apparently, this is originally from Laos and just made its way to Thailand. Now I'm adding this fish sauce. Just a little bit of fish sauce. And then half a lemon. It's just, they use lime, but we don't have lime, so I'm using lemon. This chili, I'm not sure which variety. It's labeled Filipino chili, and we got this from a Filipino market, but I'm not like really sure. Hopefully this is not like so spicy. I tried it, it's not like very spicy, so let's add this here. Now let's add our mint. This beautiful mint. Oh, it's so fragrant. Fragrant and yummy. And here's our larb.